G'day campers and welcome back to where it all began, Moravske Toplice in the beautiful Prekmurje region of Slovenia. Same place, new apartment, let's see what it's like this time. Back to where it all began, Apartment 10, Perunika Apartments. Same place, different side. Let's see what it's like. Walking into the apartment, slamming the door, first thing we notice is the warmth emanating from the place. We've got this little dressing area as soon as you walk in, ideal for if you're coming in from a snowy day out. A couple of cupboards. And into the main living area. We've got this cosy table for four, the couch, overlooking the heater, and a reasonably sized LCD Philips TV. There is Wi-Fi here, so they've provided the password, and you can see the Wi-Fi signal distributor. Turning to our left, a couple of beds. We'll take the one on the left. Moving around into the kitchen, past the heating and cooling and phone intercom system. The kitchen is adequate. It's got a stove, it's got a sink, cupboards with all the crockery you'd need for a stay here. Range hood. Some complimentary assorted items, tea and coffee making facilities. Let's have a look at the fridge. Full size fridge and freezer. Stove, as I mentioned. Hot plate. Back through the kitchen, we'll go and have a look at the bathroom now. So Louise will take us into the bathroom. Let's see what it's like for this visit. Obviously the obligatory throne, hot water service, a cupboard which could be locked. No. Somewhere to store your personal toiletries and other items. Some towels and a heater. Stand-up shower. A sink behind the door, which is fine. And coming back out, we'll go and have a look at the view. This is the bathroom, guys. You're at Apartment 10, Perunika Apartments. This is what you get. As we move back through the main kitchen and living area, there is a little balcony. Overlooks one of the big hotels that are here. The terminal hotels here in Moravske Toplice. That's actually Hotel Ada. You can look that up. They do have accommodation, which is a lot pricier than where we're staying here at the Perunika Apartments. Okay, it overlooks the car park in the back of the restaurant, but the view is still pretty. As you can see from the snow, we've enjoyed the heat today. And looking back towards the front of the building, that's the main street that we drove in on. Perunika Apartments here in Moravske Toplice. Hope we enjoy our stay. If you need a place to stay, look this up. They're on bookings.com. Definitely a good value place to stay. The guys in the bar downstairs, the Pizzeria Perunika, will look after you. Let's see how we go over the next week. Okay campers, we've settled into our apartment. This is what it looks like. Snow, snow and more snow in Moravske Toplice. As we make that all familiar walk back across to our favourite supermarket. to load up on supplies for our apartment, which we've just given you a quick look through. This is what the walk looks like today. Very, very nicely covered with snow. And after we relax, we'll head back to Perunika Pizzerija for some dinner. Just had a chat to Nico, the chef, who recommended a couple of dishes and a couple of other restaurants for us to try out. Welcome to Moravske Toplice in winter, guys. A variable winter wonderland. Okay, as we leave the Perunika apartments that we're staying in, our car safely parked for the evening. The snow in every direction. Join us for our little walk around to the pizza place, Perunika Pizzerija, as we take 2 left turns past the gift shop, across from the supermarket. Just a short 2-minute stroll to Perunika Pizzerija here in Moravske Toplice. Now let's see if the smokers are outside today. It looks like everyone's retreated inside. Even the hardcore smokers are inside. We'll just drop in for a beer, a coffee, see where the evening takes us. Join us today, folks, here in Moravske Toplice. Back where it all began, this is a small meal that we ordered to share. I don't think the picture does it justice. And that's a small salad. Louise?
Yeah. All right. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. A huge Vienna schnitzel, fries and a side salad. What a bargain, but what a feast. Armed with the knowledge of the local portion sizes from our previous stay, we wisely order a meal to share. Along with a lovely Lashko beer, simply a delicious way to kick off our return to Perunika Pizzerija back here in the town of Moravske Toplice. Good morning, campers, and welcome to our first morning in Moravske Toplice. -1 degree this morning, but what a beautiful view from my balcony. It is a little bit cold, but not ridiculously cold. Just waiting for a cup of coffee and going to start off the day. Moravske Toplice, our view across to the Hotel Livada. Moravske Toplice at the Perunika Apartments. Apartment 15, one of the other apartments, up 1 floor higher to where we're staying. So I'll give you a quick look around to see what it looks like. Just the same similar main living area. They've got the 2 beds, TV in the middle. Similar view to ours, out across the fields, so not facing towards the supermarket. Reasonably comfy lounge, very similar to ours. Dining table, full kitchen once again, which is important. Storage area, looking back across the apartment and back towards the entrance. This little dressing area and another full bathroom. Very similar to ours. Only a very slight configuration, but hey, if booking with Perunika Apartments, this is what apartment 15 looks like. We're staying in apartment 10, which you've already seen earlier in this video. Enjoy the show, folks. Still our first morning here in Moravske Toplice. That's what the weather looks like as we make our way down to the pizza place, the Perunika Pizza Place, for a cup of coffee and some breakfast. And breakfast today will be the najboljša Prekmurska kibanica v Sloveniji. The traditional cake here in Slovenia. Life and times of a budding content creator. Which way do I go? Cheesecake or kibanica?
Did you order the cheesecake?
Cheesecake was a gift. Thank you to Nico in the kitchen here at Perunika Pizza. Okay, campers, as we digest and acclimatise to our Arctic conditions, we do hope that you enjoyed the review of our accommodation as much as we enjoyed the local food. Make sure to stick around as our trip unfolds and we take you along on our Central European Odyssey, here in the beautiful Prekmurje region of Slovenia. We have many adventures in store that we hope will entertain, enlighten and amuse you all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, but importantly, as always, we genuinely hope that you enjoy the show.